Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, all those fun places. This is the March Ipsy glambag celebrating Women's History Month, and you can't see what it says on the bag, but when we start getting into the products, I'm going to read it to you because it's so cute and awesome, and I did have it memorized and now I don't. So let's get into the products. So hey, we got the Ipsy little glam bag, and off she went to change the world. That's right, gonna change the world with this bag. So Sheroes is the theme because it was March and it was Women's History Month, and they're all female founded brands and girl boss staples. So it's hashtag Ipsy Shero products. What's cool is Ipsy now breaks down what's in the freaking bag, which I love. So we have Bubble Tea Cosmetics lemongrass and green tea body lotion. The inspiration is bubble tea. So it's a delicious concoction of tea, milk, and tapioca. So it's based on that. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's got one of these little thingies. I hate when they have these. I know it's to keep the product fresh, but then you gotta do this. And sometimes it doesn't break. And oh, ooh, it smells fresh and springy and very lightweight, like a water base. Fun times. And then we have Ciate London, Ciate. Anyway, it's mini lip luster in a wildfire. Whoop. Let's see here. It's a very sheer lip gloss. I got a little pink to it. It had a more red, considering how it looks in here. So the MO of this makeup brand, it's a British beauty brand, obviously, with London in it. No, London, Kentucky, London, Ohio. No, it's London, England. Is to express your inner beauty, and it's a vitamin E infused lip gloss that is non-sticky. Oh. And it says that you should swipe it over your matte shades to make them glossy. I thought it would be darker. It's very, I like it though. I like these brands. They make one of my favorite reds. Then we have Helios Luminar Polish in Living Lovely. That is not what's on my fingers, but it is very, very, very similar to, which means I'm not going to use it for my nails this time, but I'll take it to my nail person next time, and we'll go back to that. Then we have Short Shader Brush by Slmissglam, YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis created this line. So you can use it for a smoky eye. And then finally we have Ofra Cosmetics Star Island Highlighter. No highlighter? Ooh, like that. Oh, I like this highlighter. It's nice. Look at that little pop. Little pop. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, those are the products. This is where you can find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.